trin. Det er løgn det her, det ser vi ikke.
Det ser vi ikke, det her.
Det ser vi bare slet ikke, Torben, det her.
Der er helt musik på en. Det kan vi ikke lade. Hvad? Nej, det er ikke lade. Hvad?
Jeg må lige få mine billeder, der tror.
Das ging beinahe in die Hose.
Ich will nicht glauben, dass sie das gleich eigentlich.
Oh. Oh wow, he's running out of runway here. He's got about another 500 yards before he reaches the end of this runway here. So he's got the reverse thrusters on. He is bringing it to a quick slow stop here though, towards the end. That was an incredible job by those pilots. Incredible.
The center line. This is picture perfect.
Wow,
Picture
really
perfect.
is a
Beautiful.
landing.
Beautiful, beautiful job.
Remarkable.
Beautiful job.
Wow, that's incredible piloting.
That's some hull damage. I bet those engines are not adversely impacted.
Because the props were already
Because did you
stopped,
notice
right?
how he feathered those props? Those props stopped. And
Wow.
if they had been spinning, it would have spun those TT6 engines, which are turboprop engines, right off their mounts, and that would have been a big problem.
I am
gotta
exhaling
say,
for them. I mean, my heart was just pitter-patter, as I know everybody else's was, too.
I got to tell you, that should go on the training tapes, and off he goes. Okay, 1, 2.
Wow,
so
that is
he had
fast.
some help there, and that's all they had aboard was the two of them, and welcome to Fulton County Airport, gentlemen.
Either that or everybody else on board is just catching their breath.
Oh, I suspect their instructions would have
That's
been
it.
to move
It looks
quickly.
like that's it. Wow.
Time to get off the airplane.
Oh no, here comes somebody else.
Here we
There are
go.
more
Ooh.
people. Here they
Wackens für SPD-Chef Franz Müntefering. Bei der Landung auf dem Flughafen in Stuttgart kommt es zu Komplikationen. Dieses Video zeigt die dramatischen Minuten. Als die Maschine des Typs Fokker 100 am Boden aufsetzt, sprühen Funken. Das Flugzeug zieht Flammen hinter sich her, bis es zum Stillstand kommt. Sofort rückt die Feuerwehr an, legt einen Schaumteppich. Müntefering, der zu einer Wahlkampfkundgebung nach Stuttgart